Hi there and welcome to PLIN0048, Foundations of Linguistics. My name is Florian Bright. I will be the lecturer and module coordinator for this module, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to say welcome to our exciting Conversion MA in Linguistics. Welcome to our module from me and also from my teaching assistant whom you'll be having in your tutorials, Anna Grabovac, who is also really excited to meet you next week, as am I. You will see this week a first lecture video from me, then you will have tutorials on Monday with Anna, and I will see you again on Tuesday where we have a Q&A. Notice this is a Q&A session, it's not a lecture, even though in the timetable it might say that it is a lecture. Just before we get started, I wanted to tell you a couple of things about this module. So there's something about this module that's slightly different than all the other modules that you're going to be taking. Namely, this module has two goals. On the one hand, through the lectures, we want to introduce you to some topics that are fundamental to linguistics, as you can probably guess from the title of the module, which you might otherwise not have the opportunity to explore on the other modules that you are taking. So we'll be talking a little bit about the psychological and cognitive background to linguistics, a little bit about the methods, and we'll dive into a couple of different areas of interest. For example, we have a guest lecture in sign language and animal communication. We'll even dive a little bit into the realm of computational linguistics. And then on the other hand, in the tutorials, we'll be taking more of a skill-building approach, so these might not always be very closely linked to the lectures, but rather we're trying to build a skill set that will enable you as ongoing linguists to succeed in your studies and perhaps your future career as linguists. So there we'll be doing stuff like working on developing good writing skills. We'll be working on your debate and expressive skills and synthesizing linguistic ideas. We'll be doing a few practicals on computation, things like that. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you next week, and just before I get the chance to see you this week, I have 3 tasks for you to complete. So if you look just below this video on this page on Moodle, you will find there is a course outline. Notice there is a module information sheet, which is probably somewhat impenetrable, and there is a separate document called the course outline or the module outline. Have a look at that. I've tried to present all the things that are going to happen throughout the year in a more human-friendly way there for you. So that has a plan of the lectures and the tutorial sessions that we'll have, of the assessment modalities that we're having on the module, and so on. Then the second thing that I would like you to do, just below that on the page, you will find a student questionnaire. So I'd please like you to fill in that student questionnaire. It's going to ask you some information about what languages you speak, if you have a laptop that you can bring to the tutorials, so we can use that there, and similar questions that are going to be really useful for us as the teaching team, for Anna and me, to give you the best experience that we can on the module. And then the third thing that I would like you to do is on Wednesday evening or on Thursday, depending on how things work out, I'll be posting the first pre-recorded lecture video for you on Moodle, so there'll be a new tab appearing somewhere up there. And if you click on that, you'll be able to see the first lecture video. So please go and watch that before attending your first tutorial session on Monday morning. And we look forward to seeing you then.